He's not doing so well. He's sick. His lifelong dream is to take a ride in a Lamborghini, really even to see a Lamborghini in person, and especially to take a ride. So we're gonna go surprise him with that.
Didn't even get to cross.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here with my boy Adam from AP Fine Finishes. We are going to detail the cars really quickly. I've got a little boy, he's 8 years old. His lifelong dream is to take a ride in a Lamborghini, really even to see a Lamborghini in person, and especially to take a ride. So we're gonna go surprise him with that. He's not doing so well. He's sick, so we're gonna see if we can make his day and make his day a little bit more brighter and a little bit more positive. So we're gonna see if we can really help him out. We are going to be heading out. We're going to be seeing you soon, Alex. I've got a legitimate Lamborghini official model here with me. And Adam, I want to thank you so much for cleaning the cars, brother. Appreciate it, man. And we'll see you soon.
I'm his husband.
Oh, okay.
They're all inside.
Okay. So they don't know yet?
No, they don't know yet.
Okay, cool. Probably like for sure. Cool, man. Cool. Oh, I'm happy to help.
This is so awesome. He's going to be so excited.
I already like Lamborghinis.
Yeah.
I remember what it was like for sure. So. I bought another one, so.
That is awesome.
Just in case he likes maybe the smaller one with the twin turbo.
He gets his choice.
That's it. He gets the choice. I'll take him out in both of them.
That's awesome.
If you want, so.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, I'll knock on the door.
Yeah,
okay.
for sure. 100%. That was really cool.
Here's Alex.
Oh, don't be shy. What is that? Come here.
This Alex?
This is
Alex.
Nice to meet you, man.
Hey, you like cars, Alex?
A couple cars for you.
You're being very silly. Come here.
I got him.
Okay.
We're good.
Let's go. Do you want to go see?
Alex, you want to go?
Come here.
I'm coming to strip it over here.
Have you ever actually seen one in real life? No.
This is a special
Well, through a window.
No.
Yeah. Look at it. You're taller than the car. What do you think, buddy? Walk around the back. Oh, and there's another one. Look at this.
Oh, this is special for Alex.
What? 4 tailpipes?
I'll get you in there. You can start it up and then we go for a ride.
What?
Fair.
Stop this. And this one's...
Yeah, we'll go for a ride both of them, but you gotta tell me which one you like better.
Which one do you like?
Before you make a decision, go around the back. Go around the back first.
Whoa! Look at that! Wow! What do you think, buddy? You want to look inside? I think he's a little overwhelmed. Look inside. Yeah?
You open the door for me.
He is just in awe.
These doors open normal. The other one's better. The other doors are better on the other one.
You want to go sit inside?
Yeah, go sit inside here.
Whoa! Look at this! Did you think this is what it'd be like inside? Yeah? Why? Sit up. Sit your bum.
I guess that's a priority.
I just
Think about these special cars.
I mean, run into the road there, right?
Where? Here, bud.
I got on that side.
Start it up. Go sit in there.
Whoa!
So, this way, let me roll the seat up for you. You might have to sit a little bit forward.
You might have to help him with the brake.
Yeah. That might go. Okay, see that middle pedal? Can you push the middle pedal in? Sit up a little bit more. See if you can sit. Okay, push it in really hard. See the red button there? Flip that up. Flip it up a little bit and press the button in.
No. Everyone back.
duck down to see them. Alright, do you want me to give it a little bit of gas right now? You want to go a little fast? Just a little fast, right? Okay, ready? It's cool, eh? and the yellow one, and then you're gonna tell me which one you like the best, okay? Where are you? All right, so I gotta go a little bit more.
Yeah, we can actually head over to the bowling alley if you want, because then you can go around the block and
Almost, okay, there we go. See if you can push that in a little bit. Okay, ready? I'm gonna move it forward a bit. There you go. Okay, push the seat in, or push the pedal in right there, the brake pedal. Push it in really hard. Flip up the red thing, and push the button. Keep on pushing it. There you go. This one better? Do you really? Really? Are you sure? Sure? Kinda. Kinda? Alright. We're gonna give it a little gas here, okay? Whoa, hey, that was quick. Do you want to go a little fast? Just a little bit? You want to go a little fast or like really fast?
Really fast.
Really fast? Are you sure? 100%? All right, we'll go a little fast. Whoa, eh? That was crazy. So which one do you like better? You like the black one? High five. Me too, buddy. Me too.
So which one?
What do you think? Is it the black? Did the black one win?
That's the black one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that the winner?
All these roads are so
What do you say? Thank you isn't a big enough word. I think I'm going to hear about this for months.
You want to go ahead? You want to go in the black one?
Go to
All right, let's go
bowling?
in the black one.
All right.
We're probably gonna beat them there.
You think so? You want to try to beat them? Okay. Let's see if we can beat them, okay? Let's put that in manual. Because sissies drive automatic, right? Right? Yeah. If you got a car, you'd be a manual car driver, right? Right? Definitely louder.
YouTuber that had a Lamborghini and they were going to a road rally. They came back from it. The Lamborghini broke down.
No way. I did hear that they're not the most reliable things in the world. Holy cow, are these all your friends? Are these all your friends right here? Man, holy, look at them all. You want to show them how you can open the door? You know how to open it, remember? There you go. You know, buddy. That's my man. That's my favorite one too, buddy. That's my favorite.
I think it's just like, doesn't know.
Overwhelmed.
These are intercoolers for the twin turbos. That's it's like little mini radiators.
He's speechless. Oh, buddy. Look at that.
You want to see the other one?
Oh, look at that one.
This one's the big one.
That is. Wow.
Yeah. So do I.
Like, what's going on? That's incredible. You didn't tell me it was this tight in here, buddy. Look at all this. It's pretty cool, eh? Come here. You wanna see? Can we take a picture? You and me? Come here. Thank you again. I can't express to you. Oh, I can tell the fact that he is not even talking. Yeah, it's pretty incredible.
Awesome, man.
Don't want it to end, do you? All right. May see you later. Thank you. Thank you. All right, come on.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. I want to thank my official Lamborghini model for taking the Performante out. I hope you guys liked the video. Show your support for Alex down in the bottom with some positive comments. Hit that thumbs up, and if you like the video, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot more content like this coming up, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hit the like, show the love.
Oh my God.